Oh, jeez.
Try to walk towards the pen and back towards the fence if you can. With every circle.
Good.
And try not to get knocked over. Easy. Yeah. Whenever you get a chance to go forward. There you go. Yep, try to keep walking when you get a chance. Just step out from Mom and walk again. She's trying to keep up with you. No, don't call her. Let her get around. Talk to her now, Christy. Talk to her. Try to get her to circle the other way. There you go. Head back to the pen. There you go. Now walk. Try and pick up your third one. You lost one sheep. Easy. There we go. Good stop.
Nice.